Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is Inter-Governmental Panel on Climate Change. The IPCC was established by United Nations Environment Programme and World Meteorological Organization in 1988. It has 195 member states. The IPCC produces reports that support the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. IPCC reports cover all the relevant information to understand the risk of human-induced climate change, its potential impacts, and options for adaptation and mitigation. Also, it is important to note that the IPCC does not carry out original research. It does not monitor climate or related phenomena itself. Rather, it assesses published literature, including peer-reviewed and non-peer-reviewed sources. Next, the IPCC has three working groups. The IPCC work is shared among these three working groups, task force and a task group. Working group 1 aims at assessing the physical scientific basis of climate system and climate change. Working group 2 assesses the vulnerability of socio-economic and natural systems to climate change. Next, working group 3 focuses on climate change mitigation, assessing methods for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and removing greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Next, coming to the reports. It provides comprehensive assessment reports of scientific, technical and socio-economic information and also some special reports. The first assessment report is released in 1990 and the latest fifth assessment report was released in 2014. The IPCC's fifth assessment report was a critical scientific input to the UNFCCC Paris Agreement in 2015. Also note that the IPCC is currently preparing sixth assessment report which will be completed in 2022. Now coming to special reports. A special report on global warming of 1.5 degrees Celsius was released in October 2018. Also, the special reports on climate change and land and a special report on ocean and cryosphere in a changing climate is released in 2019. The IPCC also decided to prepare a special report on cities and climate change in the 7th assessment cycle and to held a conference in March 2018 to stimulate research in this area. Now let us see a question based on this. Which one of the following is not true about IPCC? Statement number 1. It is established by United Nations Environment Programme and World Meteorological Organization. This is true. Statement number 2. The IPCC carry out its own original research. This statement is false. Because IPCC does not carry out original research nor does it monitor climate phenomena. It just assesses published literature. Statement number 3. IPCC is currently preparing 6th assessment report which will be completed in 2022. This is true. So the answer is 2 only. Thank you.